case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1871, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the groundbreaking case of Blyew versus United States, amid racial tensions and the fight for civil rights. The case revolved around racial discrimination within the legal system and the federal court's jurisdictional boundaries. At center stage was a murder trial from Kentucky, where the circuit court questioned its jurisdiction due to racial exclusions at play. An African-American man, Lucy Armstrong, had been murdered, and upon the identification of the accused, the court swiftly ran into a roadblock. The crucial testimony required from African-American witnesses was disallowed by the state's racial restrictions. The matter then pivoted on a statute established on April 9, 1866, designed to extend jurisdiction to federal courts in instances where the civil rights of colored individuals were at stake. Despite the statute's provisions, the court found them inadequate to grant jurisdiction based on the race of the victim alone. Mr. Justice Strong, delivering the majority opinion, held that statutory jurisdiction from the act of Congress would be necessary for a different conclusion. The court reaffirmed that the state's racial restrictions barring African American citizens from testifying against the defendants indeed infringed upon their rights, but this alone could not confer jurisdiction to the circuit court. The Supreme Court ultimately determined the circuit court lacked the needed jurisdiction over the Kentucky murder case due to these racial restrictions on testimony. This ruling was influenced by a previous case, United States v. Ortega, which underscored the rights of witnesses in criminal trials, leading to the eventual reversal of the verdict. In a notable move, the Chief Justice chose to abstain from participation in the decision.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.